So now we'll see how we can group the test cases. Okay, so how we can group the test cases. So in real time, whenever we have hundred of test cases, right? So some test cases might belong to sanity, some test cases might be smoke, and some test cases will be regression, right? So like that we have a different test, testing type like sanity, smoke, regression, integration. Okay, so now I want to make group of that particular test cases. So now I want one smoke group, one sanity group, and one regression group. Like if anything is like for every build, new build, I want to run sanity. So I don't want to run all the test cases, right? So I can run only sanity out of suppose 1000 test cases, 400 are sanity or 200 are sanity test cases. So I want to execute only sanity, I don't want to execute all 1000 test cases. So that time this grouping will help you out. Okay, so you can group the test cases and you can run all the test cases however you want. So you can run regression all, and you can you can run sanity, or you can exclude and include both. So that we'll see one by one. Okay, so first we'll just try what and all. So how can we create the group? So same like how we have used depends on method. So we are passing parameter called depends on method, and is equal to, we are passing some ref string, right? So here also we can pass the group name. Okay, so here is the syntax. So group is equal to group name, right? So in C we'll see practical, then it will be very clear for you, don't worry. So it is very easy, actually nothing is there. So just we will see so how this grouping will work. Okay, so today we'll see the grouping. Okay, so now each test cases I can make group. Okay, I can make the group. So I'll just make 2 3 more test cases so that it will be very easy for me to let you understand. So now how many test cases is there? So open the browser. So I'll just make it something called sanity. Okay, sanity 1. Okay, sanity 2, sanity 2. Then I will make smoke test. Okay, smoke test. This one also I will make smoke test 2. So this is the smoke test 1. Okay, this I'll make regression. Okay, regression. Perfect, fine. So now this is what I have listed. So I have 5 test cases. So in real time it will be 1000 test cases. So now out of these 2 are sanity, 2 are smoke, and and 1 is regression. So now I want to run only sanity, so it is not possible as of now, right? I have to run all the test cases, right? So now I want to only run a group of test cases, okay, which is really helpful for me for my business, right? I don't want to execute all the 1000 test cases because it will take time, right? I want quickly to check whether this build is stable or not, or whether whatever build we have got from the developer, this we are able to proceed for our testing or not. So I'll not do full regression, I'll just do one sanity, or I'll do some smoke kind of testing, and we can able to identify, yes, these are the stable build, means most of the feature is working, we can identify, right? Then we can go regression testing and all, right? So for this, as of now we don't have anything. So here TestNG will provide very beautiful feature called parameter again. So here parameter, what we have to pass is group. So we have called groups. Okay, so groups is equal to value you have to pass, what group it belongs to. Okay, so now this group we can pass however you want. Okay, so this suppose sanity, so this is just opening so I'll just I'll pass group is equal to, so I'll just write here group. So if you'll see groups, it is not groups. Okay, so groups, what it will return is a string array, right? So array of a string it will be, so star, and you can pass array of a string. So I'll make this as sanity. Okay, sanity test, suppose sanity test. Okay, I'll just copy paste, no need to write again and again, so that quickly we can understand. So group is equal to sanity, group is equal to sanity something. Perfect. So now this two I have made sanity. Now this is what? A smoke test. This is also a smoke. Okay, and this is regression. okay. But if you observe carefully, in regression sanity test case will be also included in regression, but in regression, right? But in sanity, regression will be not included. So here I can make, comma, I can make regression, right? Because in 1 minute, so I'll just copy this and I'll just paste it here. So I'll just give comma and no regression. Perfect. So a smoke also will be part of regression. Perfect. So I can pass here also regression. Okay. Sorry, I have to pass like comma, and this one is perfect, right? Which one is missing? Yes, this is missing. Yes. So I have passed successfully this thing, right? So this is how we can, group the test cases. So now this smoke test is belong to what? A smoke also and regression also. So now this test 2 is belongs to sanity and regression also. Now if I run this, so see what will happen. If I run this, so by default we'll see what will happen. It's very easy. It's very easy. Okay. So if I run this, so it is how it is working. So regression, sanity 2, smoke test 1 and smoke test 2. So this is working as per, alphabetical order again, because no priority is given. Okay, as of now it is not working as a group. Okay, so how we can, I have given the group, no doubt, right? But how we can achieve this grouping? Okay, so that we can achieve using only and only by using testng.xml. Okay, so now we'll see how we can, run these all test cases as per group. Now I don't want to run all, I want to run only sanity test cases. So only test 1 and test 2 should run. Okay, how we can achieve? So by using testng.xml. If we have made the group, so we have already made the group, so now let's see how we can execute it. Okay.